Most American couples don't break because they stop loving each other. They break because they stop doing the small things that matter the most. Today, I'm sharing 3 habits that can literally save a marriage, and if you apply these starting today, you'll see a different relationship within 1 week. Every time your partner walks into the room, give them 10 seconds of your full attention. Look at them, smile, touch their arm, say, "Hey, I'm glad you're here." In the US, almost every couple complains about the same thing: "I feel invisible. I feel unappreciated." This 10-second rule fixes that instantly. Because love doesn't die in big fights, it dies when you stop noticing each other. Habit 2: the daily check-in question. Once a day, ask your partner this one question: what's one thing I can do today to make you feel supported? Americans are stressed: jobs, bills, kids, life. When your partner feels supported, they feel safe. When they feel safe, love flows naturally. This question is powerful because it shows you care. You're paying attention. You're choosing them every single day. The strongest couples don't read minds. They communicate daily. Habit 3. Before going to sleep, sit together for just 5 minutes. Not scrolling phones. Not arguing. Just presence. Ask each other 2 things. What was the best part of your day? Is there anything I did today that hurt you? Marriage is not about perfection, it's about intention. These 3 simple habits create emotional safety, trust, and closeness. If you want more marriage-saving tips for American couples, tap follow, and share this with someone who needs to hear it today. This habit prevents resentment, the silent killer of American marriages. Unspoken feelings turn into emotional distance, but 5 minutes of honest connection brings you back as a team.